Today I'm going to start a market update video. So I'm in the BTC USDT chart. This is not a financial advice video. So you can see Bitcoin is going in the parallel channel. Now market market create a create a bull flag, but now bull flag is not invalidated yet. So actually market can be reach 60,000 level. Market can be touch this area and market may going upward trend. So next we can move to Ethereum USDT chart. Same to Bitcoin USDT chart. You can see market is going in the parallel channel. So Ethereum chart market is touch this week and market is on the support area. So that is a positive confirmation for get the trade does. So next I am in the XRP USDT chart. Same to Bitcoin, market is going the down sloping parallel channel and market create a bull flag. Next I'm in the Solana USDT chart. So you can see a actually beautiful bull flag and market is going down sloping parallel channel. So I'm in the ADA USDT chart. So that is a down sloping wedge pattern. So market is on the support area. So you can see that is not a bull flag. So we can if break this upper trend line and we can get the trade. If breakout and confirm, then maybe retest we can enter the trade this area. So we can put the stop loss this wick below and we can get target 0.4285. Next I am in the link USDT chart. So you can see a same to Solana. You can see a clear bull flag and market when come to the volume to market, this bull flag is breakout and going upward trend. So you can see RSI is bullish trend. RSI has a bullish trend. So next I'm in the Sol USDT chart. That is I haven't a trading opportunity yet. Next AVAX. AVAX is the same to Solana. You can see a very good bull flag and I always as I have 7 trades in this cryptocurrency market and that is the spot position. So next I am in the Litecoin USDT chart. So you can see a bull flag and market can be going upward trend. So today I conclude my video. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment. Thank you guys.